What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom. We're sitting at 299. We're up about 1.28 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.59 billion. 24-hour volume 698 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. $20, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. We had a very small bullish divergence. We created a lower low on the chart and we created a higher low on the RSI, and we've seen a little bit of a bounce. It's very crucial in my opinion that we break this previous high, because as you can see here for Fantom, we've just been trading sideways. So we need to break this previous high at about 315 and come and break 346 if we're going to see continuation. Now if we do pop over to the 4 hour time frame, we are just about to print the bullish cross on the MACD here. As you can see here, we're about to print the bullish cross. We had the bullish cross right here. We saw a nice little pump. We had the bullish cross right here. We saw a pump, and we had the bullish cross back here on the 4 hour time frame, and we saw a pump once again. So if we can print that bullish cross, it's a strong signal of continuation here for Fantom. However, guys, there's something that I've just noticed here on the daily, and it's a bearish divergence on the 1 day chart, and this is the most likely to play out when you see a bearish divergence on the daily. As you can see here, we've been creating higher highs on the daily, we've been creating lower highs on the RSI. It could signify to us that the bulls are running out of steam, running out of strength. So we really need to break back above the 1.618, break this high, and we can head up to our bull run target at 597. There is an example I want to show you guys here of a bearish divergence. All right, so it's right here. So you can see we're creating higher highs, we were creating lower highs in the RSI, but it was invalidated. We shot up and we invalidated our bearish divergence, and then we saw a little bit of sell-off. So that is what can happen once again, is we consolidate, we break our high, and we see an absolute explosion up to 597 for Fantom, and we see the invalidation of this bearish divergence on the daily. But I do think we need to get back above the 1.618 relatively soon here to avoid seeing a correction possibly back down to the 1.414. You can see how beautifully we've been holding the 20 EMA on the daily. So we want to see continuation. We want to continue to hold the 20 EMA and head up to 597, because if we were to see this divergence play out, that's when we can come back down to the 55, and that's when we can come back down to $2. If we look at Bitcoin quickly, we're just breaking the previous high. We do have a bit of a bearish divergence here on the 4 hour for Bitcoin as well, something to keep a close eye on. We want to see continuation because it will take Fantom with it. If we go through that correction with Bitcoin, that's when you'll see Fantom come back down here. But we're still well on our way to our bull run target at 597, and possibly a blow off top for Fantom that could take us all the way up to almost $10 here. But our modest prediction here is about 597, $6 for FTM. So in the short term, we need to come up and break this high at about 315 and break 346, the previous all-time high here. See the bullish cross on the MACD, because if we do come up and we just get rejected by the 1.618 once again, we do have this strong level of support at 262, and we have a level of support, previous level of resistance, coming in at 234 for Fantom. So that's it for this one, guys. Basically, we just need to break these levels of resistance if we're going to see that continuation, but we do have to closely watch that bearish divergence on the daily time frame. All right, so that's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, we're posting breakouts, we're talking all things crypto. It's the price of coffee. New people are signing up each and every day. You can sign up to the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.